Hello, people of the world. It's Kayla here. I know I'm not looking the best, but hey Google, turn the volume down 5. Anywho, so today I want to try to make Chinese food. I've been craving it. I don't have money, and I feel like eating some. I have some ingredients. I'm gonna try to make like a shrimp teriyaki vegetable thing with some rice on the side. I have some like sauce already, but like, I don't know. We're gonna experiment. We'll see what happens. All right, I'll be back in a second when I get all this thing cooking.
Silky beef.
Okay, guys. While I'm peeling this shrimp, I guess I should do like, an update of my life. I don't know. What should I rant about? It's always something to rant about. So, what is going on? Right now, my mom is out of town. We're all fending for ourselves, and that's why I'm coming up with this Chinese concoction. Honestly, it's like gonna be a mixture of like Vietnamese / Chinese. I don't know. I'm just going off of what I've seen my mom do, what Pinterest says, and then what my grandmother does. So we'll see what happens. I'm thinking I'm gonna make like the scrimps with like teriyaki sauce, and then maybe I'll have like some broccoli and cauliflower. If you have cauliflower. Probably broccoli and some noodles and some edamames thrown in. If you don't know edamames, you need to get hip. They are so good. Like little steam bags. Addiction. Anyways. And then I have a cruise coming up this summer too. Yeah. Alright, the scrimps are done. I detailed them. So let me get the other vegetables ready and the sauce is pulled and we can get started. Alright guys, so I'm gonna make the teriyaki sauce first. Yeah, so alrighty. Okay, so it says a cup of water, a 1/4 cup soy sauce, only use it all. 1/4 cup soy sauce. I'm gonna add a little oyster sauce. That's not what it says, but I like it, so I'm gonna put it in here anyways. Okay, it says now 5 teaspoons of brown sugar. A 1/4 teaspoon of garlic. I don't even know if I have a measurement like that. I found one. Look how small this bitch is. Use code Kayla for 20%. Just kidding. Anyways, garlic powder. Oh goodness, this is like in the thing. Okay. Oh! Well. Now it says a tablespoon of honey. Oh my god. Woo. right, let's whisk it all together. I'm gonna add a little bit of some sriracha. Ooh, wrong thing. Okay, I just learned I'm supposed to cook the sauce in a saucepan. I didn't even know. So, ooh. Yes, I'm using frozen broccoli. Don't judge me. I'm just using what I have. Okay, let me cook the scrimps first. I'm gonna put some salt and pepper on them. So I'll let these cook. So I'm gonna take them out. Okay. There's some big ass broccolis. What the goodness gracious. Don't have cornstarch into this thing of water that I have. This cold water, 1/4 cup. When you don't feel like dirtying dishes, just use your measuring spoon for mixing. Okay, let's see. Now this is gonna thicken it up so it's like normal teriyaki sauce. That's what I was told, so we will see what happens. This does not look like teriyaki sauce anymore. It looks like gravy! My fucking broccoli, my fucking broccoli. Oh, it's good, it's good, it's good. Alright, y'all, so my sauce looks really weird, and I don't know how I feel about the taste, but maybe it'll taste good when it all comes together. We will see. So I'm gonna add my scrimps back in. Okay, and then I'm gonna add my sauce, and then maybe I'll add only a little of my sauce. Just because, like, I don't think I did it right. I'll add a little of my sauce. Oop, and that doesn't work. That doesn't work! I just add some soy sauce. Now, try to bring this flavor back. I don't know what's happening anymore. Oops. Forgot my fridge was open. I want them to be like grilled, you know? So I don't know how to do that. Maybe I'll get another pan. I'm gonna get another pan and throw it in that. All right, y'all. I'm trying to like grill them now. Just grill the. Okay, I think this is like more grilled like I wanted. Alright guys, so I was gonna make noodles and stuff with it, but this is a lot of work just to get this to turn out decent. But I'm just gonna make white rice with it because I usually eat white rice with everything anyway. So we're gonna leave it at that, and let me show you my final product. How's it look? Healthy, you know, it doesn't look brown. I used flour instead of cornstarch. I don't know if that made a difference, if I just cooked it wrong. But see? And it tastes like teriyaki too. So, I don't know why it's not as brown as like in the places, but oh well. More vlogs coming y'all's way. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.